Gênio Dumel 5.
Okay, welcome to Kenzie Poultry Farm. This is their first day in the farm. They have greeted chicks. This is their first day in the farm. Now I'll teach you guys how to lay your broilers from day old to point of selling.
Gênio Dumel 5.
What the requirements you need on their first day in the farm is 1. Their charcoal pot, 2. Their drinkers, 3. If the charcoal pot is not enough, you also need a lamp that's going to be able to heat up the room. Then after that, make sure their glucose is standby, because that's the first thing they have to take once they arrive at the farm. After glucose, then you can now give them their vitamin is necessary with their feed. And meanwhile, while putting for them their feed, don't put the feed only on the feeder. You have to pour the feed, spread the feed on the floor so that they can be able to access the feed by eating it on the floor while go over to the feeder. So while others are growing big fat day by day, others will join. So we don't have any issue of some are too tiny while some are big. That's kind of problem we always have at the farm. So to avoid those problems, have to spread the feed all over the floor. So thank you. This is the first day at the farm.
Gênio Dumel 5.